here is my Google Messages app, and as you can see, I'm told to install updates. So I have an update that I need to install, but if I go ahead and tap on reload, nothing happens. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to update your Google Messages app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so for you to be able to update this Google Messages app on your Android smartphone, you need to go ahead and look for Play Store and then search for your app. Now from Play Store here, go ahead and search for your app. But as you can see, I don't have a search bar on top. I need to go ahead and just tap on the search icon down below. And now I can begin my searches. So I'll go ahead and just search messages like that. And if I go ahead and tap on it, we have various Google Messages here, and you can see the one I have installed is here. So don't confuse with this. This is Facebook Messenger. We are interested in Google Messages. Go ahead and tap on it, and as you can see, indeed we have an update. From here, I can now easily update it by just tapping on update, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Google Messages app and then install it on my smartphone. And now, as you can see, my app has been updated. If I go ahead and tap on it, the notification that was down here requesting me to update is now gone, which means I have the latest version of Google Messages. So by updating your Google Messages app, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with this app and also fix any issues. Maybe if you're not receiving messages or such, this will fix those issues. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.